Hey you guys, okay, tonight I'm having a little crafting time. This is what I need to de-stress after all of the driving I've done today on these crazy winter roads. So thank goodness I'm home safe. I have got my project ready to go. Hopefully you guys are doing okay and you're staying safe on the roads too. So say hi when you jump on. I am live. You can see over there that red live button. If you're watching and you don't see that, you're watching the replay, and that's awesome too. Type in replay to let me know that you watched. Say hi, drop in any comments, even if you're watching the replay. I love to know you guys are here, that you're watching, and I'd love to know what you think about these projects too. So I'm trying to choose a color. There's tons to choose from, so that's always one of my hardest decisions when I'm starting a project, is which color to use. Definitely going to go with some black, and I am thinking of a feature color. So this is the transfer that I'm using tonight. You can tell I've used this one a couple times already. It's pretty cute. It says, a house is not a home without a few paw prints. So shout out if you are a pet owner and you have a few paw prints around your house. It really should just say like pet hair or something, because I know I've got lots of dog hair all over my house, and I know you guys have some cat hair around your house. Maybe you have some feathers. It's not always about the paw prints, but this is a cute one that is great for a pet lover of all sorts. So I need something to highlight the paw print. I think I'm going to do the rest all in black, and then just highlight that paw print. Keep it kind of simple. It will look good. You don't have to go really crazy or complicated when you're creating your projects. 2 colors is good. 3, yes. More than that, sometimes it's getting a little too crazy depending on what you're working on. So if you guys have suggestions, if you were making this one, let me know what colors you would use. If you were doing black for all the letters and then picking a color for this paw print, what color would you choose if this was going in your house? I'd like to know your opinions. So my go-to color is often this eucalyptus. This is one of my favorites that I use a lot. So that's something I might do. And then I also go for gray. This one is called Storm. Maybe I'm a little too boring. I don't know. I tend to go with the less bright colors. Maybe if you were doing this, you would do like this shimmer purple color. This is a favorite for a lot of you, I know. There's also this shimmer eucalyptus. So this is the same color as the eucalyptus, but it has glitter in it. So I know some people just love glitter. It looks pretty for me on like holiday things. I don't think I need it for this paw print transfer, but yeah, so I think eucalyptus or Storm. Which one would you do, or would you pick something completely different? Decisions. So I've got my palette board, and full disclosure, I have actually used this before. I actually just washed the chalk paste off. You can kind of see there's a bit of staining in there. I did some sanding, and then I just did a little white wash over top. So, you know, if you've had a palette sign hanging around and you are maybe, you know, it's just getting boring, you want to switch it up, you could try washing it off, because our chalk paste is semi-permanent. So all you need is some water and some pressure with a cloth, and a board eraser helps too. And it gets it off pretty good. Some of the pigment's going to stain the board, but that's a sneaky tip for you that you might not know already, that you can kind of reuse these boards, even though they're not made to be reusable like a chalkboard. But that's what I pulled off today. This is actually a kit that you can grab from my website today, or you can let me know you want it, and I will help you get it if you want to pick up locally. And it's on super good. It's 50% off, and that ends today. That started on Monday, and it's ending today. So if you want to grab yourself this kit with the paw print transfer and the palette board, you need to let me know tonight ASAP so that I can get that for you. And this was sold out for quite a while actually, because it was such a popular one. So I wouldn't be surprised if it sold out again. All right, so let's get to some chalking. This is going to be a fast and easy project. Okay, I'm going to get my paste out of the way and make some space here. So this is pretty easy to line up. Now remember, if you are using your transfer for the first couple times, you're going to want to fuzz it. That's where you take a fuzzing cloth if you have one, or a towel, and you're going to put the transfer, the sticky side of the transfer, onto your towel a few times to get some lint on it. So it takes away some of the stickiness because it comes really sticky. And you see, even though I've used mine lots of times, it's still really sticky. So, but I don't necessarily have to fuzz it again this time. Okay, so lining it up with the edges, pretty simple and easy. Make sure it's all smoothed out. There's no air bubbles. There's nothing stuck on the back of the adhesive that's going to make it bumpy. You want it to be smooth and sealed on your surface. So that is the easy part. Now we got to chalk, which is the second easy part. Pretty much it's all easy. That's the good thing about doing this. It's so simple. So if you've been driving around like crazy like I have today, this is just going to be something simple and easy. It doesn't take too long. You can do it while you're watching your Hallmark movies. I was doing that yesterday. So just start chalking away. Now you can do the paste and peel method, especially if you were planning to do lots of different colors on this, do each word a different color or each letter a different color, you would want to do the paste or the chalk and peel method. So once I've got this first section done, I'm going to show you. So I don't want this chalk paste to start drying because then it's not going to stay on my surface when I lift up the silk screen. So I'm just going to grab this corner and then I am going to pull up the section that I've already done. Just like that. Okay, so that first section is done. And I can see on that M, a little bit didn't come through because there's kind of a little bit of a ridge where the two pieces of wood meet. So it's not completely flat in that spot. So I'm going to take my little silicone paintbrush and touch that up once this is dry. That's super easy. But now I know that this part's not going to dry while I go on with the rest of my project. So I'm just going to very carefully lay that back down. Now I'm going to just press the paw print. I'm not going to press the rest of this because it's still wet underneath there and I don't want to smudge it. But that way you don't have to worry about it drying. You don't have to rush. You can just take your time. So paw print. This is a cute color too, Sage. That's a really nice light green color. We've got like a lot of really nice blues as well. We've got dusky, actually this dusky blue, that's not available, but that was a special color for a limited time only. You gotta sometimes grab these while they're out. Colonial blue is a really nice one too. I like that color, it's pretty. So actually I think I'm gonna do this colonial blue for this. That is gonna look good. So I'll grab a new squeegee for my paw print and chalk that guy. There we go. And then we'll just peel this up again. Hey guys. There we go. So that is half done. What do you think of that color? Good choice? What color would you make it if this was going in your home? Let me know in the comments. And if you have, let me see. I don't see any comments. Sometimes they don't show up for me, so if you're commenting, I may have to get back to you later, unfortunately. Oh, I hate it when that happens, you guys. I love chatting with you when I'm on my lives, so it's really annoying when the comments don't show up. So, first section done. On to the next. So if this is something that would fit in your house, or you know somebody whose house it would fit in and you want to make it for a gift for Christmas, then you can grab it today for 50% off, and it will come in time for you to create it before Christmas. Now, for those of you that are still thinking of ordering stuff, December 7th is the cutoff to be able to get things delivered in time for Christmas. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, here's the final rest of the peel and reveal. Just rock your transfer back and forth. See, it's still really sticky, so maybe I could have fuzzed it a little bit. Come on, baby. It's a weird angle for me. You don't want to pull too hard. You just want to rock it so that you don't curl your transfer and stretch it out. You want to be able to use it over and over again. All right, there we go. Voila! So now this transfer goes to my cleaning station, and I will spray it with some water and get to cleaning it shortly. But I'll give you a close-up view of this guy. And then I just have to do a few little touch-ups here where it didn't come through because of this ridge. So this is my favorite, one of my favorite tools, silicone paintbrush. If you need one of these, let me know. I will get it for you. And you just touch up those little spots. Have to concentrate for this part. It's detailed. I can't talk. And hi, Joelle. How's your night? So just little dabs with this guy. It's beautiful. Just gets in there perfectly. And I feel like there's like two teeny, if I'm being picky, there's like a couple teeny tiny spots at the top of these letters, so I'm gonna get those too. I just love that this is so detailed. The tip of this, it's way better than just a regular old paintbrush. Just get the tiniest little spots. There we go. Boom, we're done. That's the project. It's like, it's so nice to be able to do something that comes together in like 5 or 10 minutes, especially if you need a quick gift for somebody, or if you just need like a few minutes to do something creative and de-stress, but it doesn't take a lot of effort or work. You know, it's not going to be taking you days and hours to do it. It's just done, and it looks so awesome without a whole lot of having to do a lot of effort or thinking or being super artistic. And yeah, and you've got a board. Now, do you want to see what's on the other side? This is intended, this is the front side, this is the side you're intended to chalk on, but of course, us DIY people, we aren't going to just do something the way we've been told necessarily. If you're artistic, creative, crafty, DIYer, you're going to find some way to use it in a different way than it's been used before, right? So use the front side, but then if you want to have two pieces, use the back side. And it actually looks really cool on the back side because of the way that it's put together. Now, some people have even made this into like a little tray. So anyways, just in case you needed a few more little ideas, get your creativity juices flowing. But this is a basic project, you guys. Fun and easy to do. This one is on sale. You can get the board and the transfer and the chalk paste and the squeegee, everything you need in a kit. And it is 50% off today, and then tomorrow back to regular prices. So go check out my website, or you can comment or send me a message if you wanted me to grab this one. If you're local to Edmonton, I'm gonna get a bunch of these, and if you let me know today, then I will get one for you, and you can pick it up locally. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Stay safe and stay warm, you guys, and I will be back here again soon.